going on, MK family? MKBites. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So today is seafood. All right. So right now we're gonna do what we always do. Right now you pray over your food. I pray over mine. Let's do this. Amen. 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 So you guys, so tonight, this is a request. Not really a request. This is something that I'm dedicating to someone. So I will tell you more about that as soon as we get started, more and more and more. So tonight we are having some beer right here. Cheers. And we are going to do some mussels. We have some crawfish. We have some red potatoes. Can you see that? Red potatoes. We have some ball shrimp, colossal shrimp, and we also have, right here, we have some fried colossal shrimps too. We have some corn on the cob just for y'all, because you know I really can't mess with it that much. And we have some boiled eggs. Can you see that? All right. And of course, we have the butter sauce. So let's go ahead and get into it. You know where I'm going first. I'm going for the crawfish. So how y'all guys been doing today? Let me know in the comments what y'all been eating. I just want to say that y'all be eating. Woo! Y'all be eating. And this video is going out to someone who's seen my soul food video. And she was saying that it bring her, look at that. Y'all see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? I'm just joking. Y'all see that? See all them onions and stuff on there? I know it's gonna be hot. I feel it. Good. Back to what I was saying. So, what I was saying was, on my soul food video, this one lady, she was saying that the one of the MK family, that I took her back to her roots with the soul food, and she don't eat meat anymore. She only eats seafood, so she's a pescatarian. I used to be a pescatarian, so I appreciate her a lot because I know what it is to just eat only seafood and no land animals. I did it for a while. And so her name is Shirley Malone 15. She have content on her page. You guys, please go check out, because being a pescatarian is not the easiest thing to do, but it's fun. It's really, really healthy to basically just eat seafood. So go ahead and support her. You guys, please let her know that the MK family is in the house. Yeah, so I've been over there. Content is amazing. So go check it out. Look at this. So this video is dedicated to her. Yeah. They put that in their butter sauce. Woo, hot. It's hot in both ways, but it's good. It's hot as far as being spicy, and it's hot as far as being hot from this woman. The taste you love. Good. Let me get one of these shrimp. Look at that. Colossal shrimp. Go ahead and peel it real fast for y'all. Go ahead and dip that. Look at that. Woo! And we did it again. Good, y'all. Good, good, good. Where I'm going next? One of the eggs. Let it play in there for a while. It's butter hot. Woo! Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's about their turn. Yeah. Have y'all tried yet boiling eggs and put them into your seafood balls? Let me know. It's good. And that fried shrimp, put it all in that butter. Round and round and round and we go. There you go. Y'all see that? There you go. You are now getting sleepy. Y'all, I'm waiting for this. Whoa, it fell out. There you go. That, you see it really good now. Y'all see that mussel right there? And just bathing in all that butter and onion and garlic and celery. Have y'all noticed? Seafood is my number one thing. I love seafood. One of these shrimp. I'm gonna set that bad boy. Let's put it right now. I'm gonna leave that one right there. Okay. Get that potato for y'all. Calabash! Brilla. Potatoes. You guys already know I told y'all that Calabash is a vegetarian. So he don't really care about all this. He just cares more about these potatoes and his corn. So Calabash, Sugar Bay. Calabash and Sugar Bay, you guys, once again, follow my bro and my sis on their YouTube channels. You're amazing. They try to always get me to more clean eating and more like vegetarian food and vegan food. So this is not vegetarian or vegan. This pescatarian food. But at the same time is though, I will truly say this potato right here with this onion stuff is vegetarian. So for real, guys. Yeah, check out my brother-in-law, Cali Bay, and my sis, Sugar Bay page. I put their names like right here together. So right here gonna say Cali Bay TV. And right here gonna say Sugar Bay. You get it? The bays in their names. So check them out. I think I told y'all that before too about them too. But check them out. Sugar Bay name have changed on our page. So her name is Sugar Bay. I'm gonna put it right there. Cheers. Where I'm going? Oh, let's go. Here's this fried shrimp. This fried shrimp. Put it in that butter. Yeah, I could do that now. I'm just joking. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And you did it again. It's good, y'all. The muscles good. You guys, let me know if you guys want to see short videos or long videos. I have out there almost on my channel. I have like 40 videos. Some are short, some are long. So I did a short video. I do some short videos, and people say that they're too short. I do some long videos. People say it's too long. Let me know if you guys want to see long videos or short videos. When I say short videos, I mean like 10, 15 minutes. When I say long videos, I mean like 20, 30 minutes. Let me know. This bad boy been soaking in here. Been soaking in here. Woo! Seafood. Where we going? Where we going? Whoa, the whole thing fell. Y'all didn't see that. It's right here, let's see. Y'all didn't see that. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take 2 bites. To all the MK family that's brand new, welcome to the MK family. To all my ride or dies that been there from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. I don't eat corn because of my braces. So I have braces, so I try to eat corn, but I try to be really, really careful when I eat corn. So when I do some seafood balls when I don't have corn, a lot of people in comments always asking me, like, where's the corn? So I started bringing corn back to the seafood balls just so that it could be a part of the visual, right? Hey, you heard that? I said visual. I'm just joking. But no, but I brought it along because to me, it just go along with the seafood bar, right? So, but when I see it, I want to eat it, right? So that's why when I see it, I have to buy it at least 2 times. 2 times. But I'll be real careful when I do it. So, bite number 1. Look at that. See all that richness. Nights like this, I wish that raindrops would fall. It's good, y'all. One more. One more. One more. Look at that. Do you see that? I can't stop, y'all. One more. One more. Corn. That's good to me, y'all. Cheers. Where I'm going next? Tell me. I'm listening to y'all. Crawfish, boiled shrimp, fried shrimp, egg, potato, mussels. Which one? I heard you. You said go to the shrimp. There we go. I'm getting full, y'all. Excuse me. There we go. Y'all say do a shrimp, right? It's messy over here. It getting messy over here. I am dipping my shrimp. I'm stupid. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm having fun tonight. There we go. My one friend always asked me, she in the comments, she knew who she is. Where's your napkins? I forgot my napkins. But I will have my napkins next time. So, cheers. Woo! Yo, I'm full. Go ahead and play with these mussels. Oh yeah, by the way, being smoke free been going really, 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 really good. I want to thank all you guys for all your support. MK family, y'all been holding me down. I ain't gonna lie. With the comments, y'all been telling me good job. Y'all praying for me. Y'all been giving me ideas on. Somebody say eat sunflower seeds. Somebody say do the vape pipe thing. Somebody said put your money on the side so that you are able to see how much money you're saving without smoking cigarettes. You guys, y'all been helping me a lot. So I'm still smoke free. So every time I come on here, I'm gonna do it once a week. I'm gonna let y'all know once a week that I'm still smoke free. I don't plan on ever. I don't plan on ever going back to smoking cigarettes again. I sleep better now. Like I get a good night's sleep. I don't have to run outside my house when I want a cigarette. I'm saving money because I just smoke 1 pack of cigarettes a day. So now I've been doing really, really good with that, to where I think I'm like on day 11 or 12 being smoke free. That boy smoke free. I almost said something else, but I can't say it on. But yeah, I'm smoke free, and it feels so good. So I want to thank the whole MK family for being there for me. All your prayers, all your good thoughts, all your good comments to support me on helping this journey be a little more easier. So now I feel like when I come on here, I want once a week I'm gonna tell you guys my journey as far as quitting smoking cigarettes. So I have something forward to look to let you guys know that I'm still smoke free. So keep on praying for me. Keep on all the good comments about being smoke free. And a lot of you have been like 15 years smoke free. A lot of you have been 10 years, 7 years being smoke free. So I want to say congratulations to all you guys that have been smoke free for all these years, because it is hard. So thank you for all your support. So like we do always around this time, if you don't mind, take a little time to like, share, and comment. Comment and subscribe. Cheers. Thank you, MK fam. Love y'all. Bye. Bye.